inflation. Inflation is rising in the side, the blue circle up there. Still within the Reserve Bank bands. And this, for those who are doomsdayers, is a really bad sign if that were to continue. Now, inflation should come back somewhat, given that we had the petrol collapse, so that's a stimulus and an anti-inflationary outcome. The problem is that if we keep the current economic circumstances and inflation breaks out, we'll have what was in the 70s called stagflation. So we're watching that one pretty closely. And there's no easy answer for stagflation, as you know, Malcolm Fraser and Ronald Reagan and Margaret Thatcher could attest, if any of them were still with us. Pretty much the decomposing composers, that lot. But anyway, something to watch. Inflation did appear to be ticking up. We need to have a look at what's going on as we go through the year. Right, if we move on to the next slide. Petrol prices. As I said a moment ago, Tapis oil price, West Texas, Brent, whole lot has fallen off a ledge. So that's broadly stimulates the global economy, except one of the reasons that there's a couple of reasons it's fallen off the ledge. One is there is a mountain of oil in the global market. So there are oil ships tied up in, off Singapore that are actually full, and they're just storage facilities. The US reserve is flooded with oil, and indeed Australia's bought $1 billion worth of oil. And petrol prices can't be stimulating the economy if no one's driving or flying. So one of the issues is, and I know there's a lot of cars back out on the road, but you don't get a whole lot of stimulus unless people consume the fuel. So the usual stimulus is going to be a little bit muted, I would expect. If we go to the next.